Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today, man, we got another video, man. I've been trying to post back to back, you know, just load up on content and then dump, you know. But yeah, man, we back with another video, and today, man, you already know this camera's on, something getting fixed, man. Yeah, man, we got the Benz back in the garage, man. Yeah. Something went wrong, man, so I'm gonna show y'all what's going on with it. Grab the Benz key. Alright, let's turn this thing on, man. Yeah, man, it seems like all my cars need work now, man. Alright, let's get up in this thing. Oh! So the problem I'm having right now, man. See that? I ain't even touch nothing. Y'all seen it live, you know what I mean? Y'all seen it live. Just turn the key on. The turning stock is in the neutral position. If I hit it to the right, it blinks. Hit to the left, it blinks. I put it in the middle, it's stuck like that. And you definitely can't drive around just, you know, flashing your left signal and you only going straight. So that's the problem I'm having with this car, man. It's nothing biggie. It's nothing too crazy. It's just come with the game with these older cars, man. So I gotta replace the turn signal stock, which involves removing the airbag and the steering wheel. Nothing too crazy. So my radio cut on. So yeah, man, let me show you guys the parts that we're gonna be using, and then we're gonna get started with this repair, man. Oh. Yeah, man, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. What else we got, man? Facebook. All social media platforms, man. So yeah, man, let me set this camera up so I can show y'all what's going on. I think that should be stable enough. Hold on. That should be good. Alright. So this what we got, man. We got the turn signal stop. Kind of a different design. But this is a multi-function switch. So it has signals, it got the wiper blades, it got the washer sprayer, all in one. So very important switch, man. Trust me, I want to be driving it, but I can't drive it without fixing this. I want to be getting pulled over or confusing people, you know. So this is the new part. Oh, this shit is. So I'm guessing like maybe the circuit inside got stuck. Like the switch got stuck, cause it's kind of shaped like a relay, so you know, so or either this click, it's probably got stuck too. I don't know what the issues. I'm new to Benz, so I'm learning as I go too, man. So bear with me, man, with these symptoms and issues that these cars normally have. I don't really know nothing about Benz. You know, I learned how to work on cars at Full Works Automotive. I'm in Hyattsville. Shout out to Buffy. You know, my uncle, my cousin, family, man. Whatever you want to call it, you know, family. Yeah, he taught me, he gave me my apprenticeship at his shop. So most of the cars he worked on was like European, like mainly BMW. Shout out to Dredd too, man. Paul Carter. Yeah, that's my dude, man. He helped me a lot, man. Helped me a lot. taught me a lot. Took the time. But anyway, let me stop rambling, man. Let's get started on the repair, man. Alright guys, so first thing first, we gotta take off this airbag. So I think it's some, I'm using a mirror so we can see the bolt in there. You guys can see it's I don't know if I'm blocking it, but it's like a T30 or something. Let me see. You should be able to see it now. Like a T30 in there somewhere that I gotta get to. There's one on this side, and there's one on this side too, on the other side. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, man. First thing we're gonna do is take these two bolts out, get the airbag out. I think I'm just gonna leave everything connected. I know you're supposed to disconnect the airbag and all that. I mean, disconnect the battery and all that stuff. But I'm gonna leave mine connected, man. Alright, guys. So it is a T30. I don't know why I thought it was T25. Almost stripped it using the wrong damn socket. Yeah, let me get this. I'm gonna take out both screws and show y'all when the airbag come out. Alright guys, so I got the airbag loose, and you're gonna need a stubby one, stubby T30. You know, there ain't really no room back there, but I got a stubby T30 and this little bit driver to help me drive it in. So these two gonna save you a lot of time. So we got it out. Now we gotta disconnect. I gotta disconnect the airbag. Oops. I think I'm just gonna pull this sucker right here. So Mercedes got some weird connectors, man. Does this just pull up or what? No. You know what? I don't know if I can. Alright, I'm gonna leave that. I ain't gonna mess with that. I'm gonna unplug it from here. Alright, that's one. And these are always tricky, so let me go get give me a pocket screwdriver to pop that out real quick. Yes, I know how dangerous it is working with the ignition on in the airbag, but in a dealership we do it all the time, so I'm used to it, you know. Only thing I'm worried about is the airbag light not clearing. So we got the airbag disconnected. Put that there. Now we gotta get the steering wheel off. Let me see. I think that's probably like a 10mm. A 10mm Allen key. So let me grab that and I'm gonna cut the camera back on. Alright guys, so you're gonna need a 10mm Allen key and whatever extension you want to use. That's what fits in this lock nut right there. I'm gonna use like a little 3/8 impact drive. Okay, so now we're gonna need the big dog. We can't use the little. We use that to put it back on. So I'm gonna get my 1/2 inch and zap this thing. Alright guys, so I took the nut out already. Had to use the big brother to zap it out. But I also marked the shaft, the steer column shaft. So when I take the wheel off, everything goes back as it came off. Okay, so my bad, y'all. I'm trying to record this thing. My fault. Put down the camera a little bit, man. I apologize. So damn, why did I put the key in there? Oh, this isn't turning so freely though. I guess I can get in there. But yeah, so we got two Phillips screws right here that we gotta take out in order to well, I'm gonna record to the side in order to get this cover off, and then we should have the switch and all the internals right there. Alright guys, this thing is giving me anxiety, bro. Jeez. Okay, so it looks like it only goes in one way. At that thing. Alright, so we got the I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a clock spring or is this a steering angle sensor. I don't know what it is. I don't know what you would call it on these Mercedes. Alright, so our switch is right here. I don't know. This mechanism is getting stuck. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure why it failed, but let's get it out. It looks like it's just these three screws holding it. Oh no. Let me see. See, I don't know if I gotta take this. Damn. I've seen some videos on here, but I'm really just freestyling it based on my experience. Just want to make sure. That is where those two bolts just came from. These little small ones. My bad, I got on the headlight, so it's like making a shadow behind the camera, so apologize for that. We should have a different nut. Oh, I have to take this off. Oh, this comes all the way out. Okay. Alright. Okay, I see what's going on. So that switch has to come out too. This looks like it has to slip out. Anyway, let me get this thing out, man. I'll show y'all how it look when they come out. Alright guys, so it is a little tricky You do have to move these out, the other signals out the way so you can slide off this. So I'm fighting with these connectors right now to try to free up this switch, man. I don't like the way they did this, man. 'Cause this shit is like, it's kind of tricky if you don't know what you're doing. Which I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm learning as I'm going. So yeah. Alright, man. I'm gonna disconnect everything, and I have the new switch here. So this basically is a switch in the back that I have to disconnect, and then those two switches right here, or those two connectors, go through this bracket right here. So it's like this right now. So it's a switch in the back. So I'm gonna disconnect that switch and unclip this from this holster and get this part out, swap it out. So we got the old switch out, and this seemed kind of funny inside, like crunchy. Or something inside, and maybe some internal failed, I don't know. But now it's reverse procedure now, so I'm just gonna put everything back, and then I'll show you all the results when we're done, man. But yeah, I gotta put this connector in the back, and plug that in, and push these two through this connector, and then put this back, and then bolt that up, and this and that. So it's a little process, but we got it. We got the new one. We're about to install it, and hopefully everything is fixed now. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we got everything back on. Got the signals off right now. So this is how it's supposed to be working. So the switch was faulty, so we got a new switch in. Now we good to go, man. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, man, leave a like, and if it was informal to you, or if this video helped you, leave a comment or just leave a like. You know, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos. I'm trying to get locked in, you know, with YouTube, but my personal life keeps pulling me back and forth. So we're gonna get there soon, man. This thank you guys for having faith in me, and the subscribers that are subscribed to me. Thank you for, you know, thank you for joining the channel, man. Thank you for being a group member, man. Part of this K430 automotive group, man. This lifestyle, this automotive passion, man. See you on the next vlog, man. I ain't gonna tie y'all up, man. So peace.